Looking to upgrade your kitchen with a reliable and efficient electric stove? In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 electric stoves and cooktops on Amazon this year, perfect for confident cooking every day. First on our list is the KARINEAR 2-burner radiant electric cooktop, a compact yet powerful solution for small kitchens, RVS, or anyone looking for an extra cooking surface. With its 12-inch width and 2 radiant burners, this cooktop fits almost anywhere and is ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or minimal counter spaces. Despite its size, it packs in safety features like a residual heat indicator, over-temperature protection, and a child safety lock. The mechanical knob controls are easy to use, and the ceramic glass surface makes for quick cleaning. It's also compatible with a wide range of cookware, unlike induction cooktops. This model has earned Amazon's #1 bestseller spot in its category, backed by excellent customer reviews praising its durability and fast heating performance. Next is the JESSIER 5-burner ceramic electric cooktop, a standout choice for those needing a full-size built-in cooking solution. With 5 powerful burners, this cooktop offers plenty of space to handle family-sized meals or simultaneous dishes. It features a sleek ceramic surface, intuitive touch controls, and a range of safety options including a child lock, hot surface warning, and automatic shut-off timer. One of its most appreciated features is the flexibility of burner sizes, allowing you to match your cookware and optimize energy use. Customers love its modern appearance and consistent performance, making it a favorite for both new kitchens and upgrades. If you're looking to combine style and function in a 30-inch format, this one ticks all the boxes. Our third recommendation is the COOKSIR 4-burner built-in ceramic stovetop, which strikes a perfect balance between compactness and power. It offers 4 independently controlled burners, touch-sensitive controls, and all the modern safety features you'd expect. Residual heat indicators, child lock, and a built-in timer. With its 24-inch size, it fits well in medium kitchens or spaces where a traditional 30-inch unit would be too large. The minimalist design and responsive heating elements make it a popular choice for efficiency-focused cooks. Reviews consistently highlight how easy it is to install and how well it maintains temperature control, which is essential for precision cooking. Whether you're sautéing, simmering, or boiling, the COOKSIR model ensures reliable results in a more space-conscious package. At number 4 is the NOXTON 5-burner radiant ceramic cooktop, which is perfect for large families or avid home chefs who need maximum cooking capacity. This expansive cooktop features 5 burners and an extra-wide layout, giving you room to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. It uses durable ceramic glass and comes equipped with knob controls rather than touch panels, which many users find more tactile and reliable over time. With built-in protections like overheating shutoff and indicator lights for hot zones, it's as safe as it is spacious. This model is especially useful in households where multiple cooking zones are in constant use. Customers appreciate its sturdy build and ability to handle heavy cookware without losing performance. Rounding out our list is the AVANTI compact electric range, a complete stove solution that includes a 2.6 cubic foot oven and 4 coil burners. This freestanding electric range is ideal for apartments, vacation homes, or compact kitchens where space is limited. But functionality is still a priority. The oven features 2 racks, a storage drawer, and a framed glass window so you can monitor your baking with ease. Unlike built-in cooktops, this range is a plug-and-play solution with a classic look and user-friendly interface. Users often mention how well it performs in daily use, especially for baking, roasting, and stovetop cooking on a budget.